Do you guys
This video is not an ad for this Nerf gun I'm about to show you.
I got it a while ago,
Yep.
but I've had it for a little bit. I don't really use it much because I want to keep it all together.
Yeah.
But here we go. I'll show you guys it. Here it is. It's actually pretty cool. It has a metal barrel. And then here, I'll go get the bullets to show you, and I can shoot it outside. But here, I'll show you how it does this. It's pretty powerful. So, yep. Well, I'll go get the bullets, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so I got the... They're actually kind of small too. And I'm gonna load it up and show you guys how it shoots. So, I'm just gonna load up 2 bullets, so here. There they are, and then gotta load up the gun. And just so you guys know, this is not for a ad purpose. It's raining outside, so here I'm gonna shoot it at the wall and show you how it shoots. Hold up, I gotta turn it on. Did you see that? Here it is right here. This is like, you probably didn't even see it, but that's how powerful it is. It goes really fast. It can go up to 140 feet and up to 50 miles per hour. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back next time. Alright, bye.